guys, my name is Samaria Webb, and as you can see, my dad is washing the car so we can go on a family adventure. Stay tuned! They wanted me to say that so bad.
Where we going?
To the beach.
Where we going?
We're going to the beach.
Where we going? Where we going?
I hope Blake finds them. We'll see. Itchy.
The other one's telling them to stop.
Oh, look at that one from the back. All the way by the water, kind of. He was moving. He looked like hiding in the wood. Look at this stuff. Yeah. The seaweed here. And it's so sticky.
Come on, they're more active on the other side.